We all have things we hold on to. A memory, a promise, or sometimes just an old piece of cloth. For Clara, it was her grandmother's favorite dress, the last tangible connection to the woman who loved her. She wanted to mend it for her own daughter's wedding, but she never learned how to sew. She bought a modern machine months ago, but fear kept it locked away in the box. The endless buttons, dials, and threads felt like trying to decode a foreign language. Defeated and ready to pack it all away, a single book cover caught her eye online. It was How to Use a Sewing Machine to Sew Anything by James Brunner. This step-by-step beginner's guide instantly cleared away her intimidation. The book broke down bobbins, needles, and tension into simple, foolproof steps. Suddenly, the confusing machine became an empowering tool of endless creativity. On the morning of the wedding, she watched her daughter slide into the flawless heirloom garment. The circle was complete, bound together by love and a perfectly placed stitch. Pick up your copy of How to Use a Sewing Machine to Sew Anything by James Brunner on Amazon right now and start creating.